So yes, guys, welcome to the stream. So sorry, I gotta drop this banger. So hello guys, welcome to the stream. Hope you're all doing good. Am I audible? Guys, like, am I audible? So okay, okay, guys, great, great, great. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Welcome, guys, welcome. And just I'll be doing a quick review of what's going on right now. Okay, so we had this monthly chart and we are all trading above the all-time highs, and this is the daily time frame price has taken the all-time highs. It's here, as you can see that clearly, and this has been the daily structure. The daily structure has been bullish. Price dropped to this BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, dropped into it yesterday. We had a sweep of the previous day's lows, and that's a proper turtle soup. And from here, price started going higher, took this all-time highs. Again, new all-time highs has been formed just at around 8:33, if I'm not wrong, just now after the NFP's release. So price came lower, gone higher, swept the new all-time highs, making it as a new high of the day. Right now, if we get into the lower time frame, price now has swept the uh, new highs, previous day highs, and in lower time frame, as you can see, we have a clear set of imbalance just left below. So I really wanted to like go for longs when the 6 hour lows were hit, but it didn't hit, and straight away that went to the highs. So now what I feel is we have repriced higher. So from all these end dogs, if you can see properly, we have all these end dogs and we are repriced higher. So right now what I feel is that price has to come lower to reprice to all these liquidities lower. And the first target for me would be, I'm generally giving for sales. So the first target for me would be this relative equal lows. But I wanna see how price reacts, guys. Wanna see how price reacts. I'm like looking for lower prices. I want to see how it reacts around here, and yeah, that's it. I am looking for sell prices. I mean, the order flow is being aligned for bullish prices, but I'm looking at sells. I don't like these lows. And is there a potential SMT at the lows? Yes, there is SMTs, but I want to see lower prices because I don't like all those relative equal lows, guys. Simple. Yeah, like going a year, but yeah, that's it. Sorry for the delay. I like slept. We have our 9 a.m. open right now, so we just gotta chill. Price is trading away from this set of breaker, so that wouldn't be a breaker, so that would be a mitigation block. But yeah, let's see, guys. There is a red folder news. I mean, the red folder news is done. We had what we had NFP and the news is done. We had NFP. I don't know if it goes against my sentiment. I'll be little cautious of the play because I am looking for sell side prices and prices going higher. As you can see, the lows are still intact, and I'm at YM as well. So just check. I have a different layout, but still, that would be handy for me to like, yeah. The lows are like left. For me, the risk would be 250 today. Yeah, the risk could be 250 for me today. So how many have blown your account with NFP, guys? Let me know. Oh, sorry. The stream is being unlisted right now. Sorry, guys. Sorry, the stream is being unlisted. I don't know like who made. I was the one to me like do it. Sorry. Like we had this CFT banner ready and I was doing a test stream and I didn't change that. Now it should be like all right, bro. I took sell on gold. Okay, gold. IM is delayed. I got it. Upgrade my data. I mean, connect my account. If that the data is being delayed, I'll just go and connect my account and I'll be there. And this MFFU is had to upgrade like the packages. I'll be there. Where is this gold commodity and gold? I guess for me delayed it. I'll got to connect it again. So gold looks like solid, but let's see. Good sales, bro. I don't really see why prices going higher, guys. To be honest, like I was expecting sell prices and I have no idea because all these fix should not let price go higher. The main liquidity has been taken already. So we have our 5-minute FEG formed, and let's see if it has to come lower, and maybe we could be seeing another sweep. I mean, I'm looking at sales, so one thing can happen is that price could go again higher and then give us a sell off. NQ sell or no sell until Levi until 23k. Okay, 23k. Yeah, that's a round number close. So 830 is opening price. 830. And we have a 2-day open. I mean, the engineered lows are so good. 830 and 2-day open. Okay, like you can see that how beautifully we have those 830s open and relative equal lows. Sorry, 830 open and 2-day open, and also all these relative equal lows. I mean, if price goes higher and then use a good I mean, what price shows me the signatures of bearishness, I might sell. 26k it can't go today. Why can't 23k? I don't know. Like, just base of what's given. See, just look at it in this picture. What do you see here? Just looking at this, what do you see? I see relative equal lows. A consolidation, price gone higher, and that's a manipulation for me. I mean, that's just how I look at price. It need not be right. So that, I guess that's how I view price. Here, if this bitch goes and sell off, then it might be interesting. G, do we have SMT or something? Just remove this. And nope, we'll have to just wait. That is our 9 a.m. opening price. That would be our OT. But I don't trust this rejection. I wanna see how 9:30 opens. I mean 23k is because that's the close round number. Very close. It's not like even 100 points away. It's like very close round number, 23k. That is why. That's like very close round number. We also have this stacked caps. Okay, that's interesting. That's a closure. That's a closure. We have our L model here, but like I don't trust this right now immediately. I mean the FEG is also respecting, but still we have our 9:30 opening price so close. We have our inversion FEG also in 3 minutes, but I would like to see price like taking any liquidity and then showing displacement. Right now it's all structured bullish because prices came lower, tap this, gone higher, came lower to 1 minute's order block or propulsion block, whatever you want to call. Came into this propulsion block, started going higher. And again, we have other set of order blocks. So price could come lower from here and then go higher. So I'm not risking this sell setup right here. It could go lower. If it goes, then there is no setup. But yeah, it is better to wait for 9:30's opening price. In simple words, then there is no inducement on the left, so it needs to be built on the pullback or it will. Yeah, makes sense. Perfectly put. We are inside a 5 minute FAG technically. We have this order block. So I need now this is gonna be a relative equal lows. I mean highs. So I'll be expecting a highs and then sells. Mm, How was your week, guys? So far, it has been a red week for me. I took a loss on what Tuesday, and I took a tiny loss just at this retracement. I'll be looking for another sells if that gives me, and then or else I'm done for the week. Okay, interesting. 5 minute FEG is gonna be inversed. We have a 50 minute order block as well. There is a red news at 7:30. Yeah, 9th. I mean, red news at 10, right? If I'm not wrong. Let me check the economic calendar once again because I've seen that. We got a red news at 10 only, bro. Oh, 7:30 only. Indian time. Okay, 7:30. Okay, right. Sorry. Uh, I mean, the title is also. I'll change the title also. Sorry. I don't know what's this XP. It's like new. Looks kind of good. Okay, price has dipped into this M3 FEG. Like it's 50-50 from these lows to these highs. That's kind of 50-50 for me. We have our CASG also in 5 minutes, but I mean there is no point of looking for sales right here. From here we had this displacement that would have been good, but I'm not gonna just trust the what SMT. I sorry the OTE. Okay, I don't know if you saw that, but yeah, I saw it in 5 minutes itself. See that drop exactly to the open and then that reaction. I don't like that. I don't like that. So in the end, I need your narrative in your first week. Will you or will speak at weekend chat? We'll speak at weekend chat. Those frequent chat with. Okay, okay, great. It's like kind of a new future or okay. Nvidia's opening at a gap up. Is that an WOG indicator? Yes, NVOG indicator is free. NVOG indicator is free. NDOG indicator is paid. NVOG is free and NDOG is not paid. It's not released yet. And see that a beauty. That's a beauty. I mean, we have our 15-minute OB and price is pushing a year. Okay. I mean, this indicator that's being coded by engineer and that's like, but that's not paid, not free. That's being developed in development still. So if you can tap this, you can see that where it belongs to. I don't know, just shown now. See the date it's being shown. So okay, at this case, I want to see the size taken out first. And also I can see that the stocks are opening at a gap up. The stocks are opening at a gap up, guys. Apple is opening at a gap down. Nvidia is opening at a gap up. Microsoft is opening at a gap up. Amazon is opening at a gap up. Oh, Meta is opening at a huge gap up. Avgo is opening at a gap up. Tesla is opening at a gap up. Costco is opening at a Netflix is opening at a gap up. Everything is indicating bullishness. So let's see. எத்தனை years அப்புறம் நீங்க ப்ராஃபிட் planning pro like your first. It took me like a payout, like I was lucky and had a payout very early, but again I gone into all that losing spiral, like blowing accounts again, taking payouts, blowing accounts, and I got consistency in like 2.5 years or 3 years in the mark. And from January it's like totally different. I'm like very consistent from this particular January. From this year's January I've been like very consistent. Very consistent. Okay, good. What percentage of cap down do you consider that gonna influence that? I don't like understand the question much. What percentage of cap down do you consider that's gonna influence that? Every single tick movement in NQ will directly reflect in NAS 100 because that's a CFT account and every single price movement will be factored in into NAS 100, but with not great accuracy, but to some extent it will be factored in. I'm looking at sales, bro. Like it can go higher and then come lower, or maybe I might be wrong for the whole day because price has been in consolidation. I would not tell this as an expansion. Price has been in consolidation and price has not moved so much from the Asia Open. So price was in this consolidation phase. We broke out of this consolidation phase. Of course, the market's direction is bullish. We broke out of it during NFP and that broke out around NFP like makes me sus. And just the profiling of consolidation breaking out a year, I'm expecting a sell off at 9:30 open or 9:30 could manipulate into these highs. We have 5 minutes into it. So we can manipulate into these highs. Even it could send prices to 23K. Who knows? God knows. And from there, I'm expecting sales. After 9:30, like I sold here, it was a minimal loss, bro. Like I sold around here and closed it right here. It was a minimal loss. So I have like another bullet to trade. We can see like price is setting up its way to like rocket a year. But I'm standing with my bias because that's my edge. I feel my intuition and bias is my edge. No, I didn't trade yesterday. I told you, no, I didn't trade yesterday. I was like watching this movie. What do I call that? So what was I watching yesterday? Seriously, bro, brain cells are fried, bro. Seriously, I don't even remember watching what I was like watching yesterday. I don't remember. I was watching a movie. I didn't want to trade yesterday, but yesterday like gave the cleanest price action of the week. That was like literal beauty. See, that was literal beauty. A day before yesterday was Top Gun. Yesterday I don't remember watching what. I mean, I watched something, but I don't know what. Seriously, expectations for you US opening. I don't trade BTC, bro. Like, yes, bro. I took buys. Okay, okay. Whoever took buys, congrats, congrats. I want this, guys. I want this. I want this. See why? It's basic. See why I'm looking at all these is very clear. And see, we have our dealing range from these lows until these highs, right? From these lows to these highs. Now that's a dealing range for me, and price is at an extreme premium, and price has been continuing and setting up all these relative equal lows. I don't know if you see that pattern, but price has been setting up all these relative equal lows, and I want to see price slam lower. Okay, price has taken all these highs. I'm just opening for. I'm sorry. I'm just waiting for the open. If it goes higher, I'll be looking to sell because right now price is trading around 935, right? Price would be opening at let's say 920. So it's opening right around there. I'll at least want price to like come to all these stacked gaps. At least these stacked gaps. These stacked gaps. So I see anything going higher is a sell opportunity. And this is not a financial advice. This is just me getting into my trade. It's not an invitation for you to like buy or sell here. So everything what I'm doing here should be viewed in terms of knowledge and not an invitation for you to sell. I mean, do the same, replicate the trades. No, it doesn't work that way. And also, 1 hour is kind of a range for me, and price is taken that range. So we have our open in 2, 1. Okay, great, great, great. Now give me a very good manipulation, bro. Please. Okay, push. Okay, things are getting set up. That's gonna be a good range for me to at least sell I mean, all time has been taken out in the RTA chart also. I wish the gap up is being sold into. Okay, I mean, like all the all time highs is being taken out. Any good displacement lower, I'll be sales. I mean, I'll be in sales. Karthi bro, 22k is very like very close. You trade only NQ. Alright, yeah, I do trade only NQ. I mean, I can trade the other indices too, but yeah, I'll be trading only NQ mostly. So even this is a macro for me to sell. Any closure below this 30-second FEG, I'll be in shorts. I mean, I want a displacement. First presentation gap, you got a lot of time to be formed. This is not your first presentation. First presentation has to form right here. Okay, it's there. That's the first presentation in 30 seconds. First presentation is not the FEG that gives displacement at 9:30. We need displacement at 9:31. So any closure below, I'll be looking for sales. That I'll be taking it in my Project X account. Oh, 5 MNQs. Ruskies. I don't want to see like, I mean, price don't want to come to 23k to give me sales. I mean, every asset class it has taken its all time highs. I mean, Nvidia is bearish. Nvidia is bearish. And I guess I'm into sales right now. Yes, I'm into sales right now with my stop loss placed at the highs. I'm into sales, guys. My stop loss is right there. Nvidia is driving lower. I want to see some displacement coming in very quick. That's a risky sell, of course, but I really feel that if that's gonna give me a sell, that's gonna be a jackpot. 5R. I gone in a bit heavy. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted to see. Just above, around 994 is my stop loss. 994, just below the 20k mark, because I'm just leaving space for it to give a soup. And also I'm letting Nvidia to give me an SMT. So that could take these eyes and Nvidia doesn't, so that we get a sell off. We have an SMT being formed with ES at this size. We need displacement. No displacement. Yes, there is no displacement. We have our 930 FEG. First presentation FEG. That's our first presentation FEG. Okay, if that goes higher, I'm doomed, guys. Or that's it. I'm done for the day. 994 is my FEG. I mean stops. We need displacement already. I don't see any. We need some speed. Speed. No, the closure is not good. The closure ain't good, guys. The closure ain't good. Okay. Okay. We want to see if it wants to go to these lows. First presentation should not be tagged again. That's our 930's opening price. We need to be a bit careful right there. Okay. We see some good displacement. Great. Okay, good displacement there. Yes, bro, please, yes, come lower, please. Yes, come lower, and then we'll be having a good trade. Yes, please come lower, bro. Yes, has to come lower, guys. Yes, has to come lower. I mean, the gap is like pretty big. Yes, has to come lower. I'm putting my stops to break even. My stops are at break even. Um, that's okay. My full TP will be at these lows, guys. My stop loss is at break even right here. Exactly at the 939 candles opening is my stops. So I'll be removing something off. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna let it. Okay, I mean the closure is wild. Closure is just wild. If there is a closure in 20 minutes just below these candle, then we are going to see all these lows. I mean, I'll use my L model to place stop loss, right? I'll use my L model to place stop loss. It's just as those 3-minute candles lows. I'll be moving my. I would love to close something at the 5-minute candle. So I mean the 5-minute. I'm using that L model to place my stops. It has almost inversed the first M3 FEG. NQ is weak. ES has to ES has to get some weakness or else we are done. My stop loss is right here. I mean that's a break even. That's a break even. But ES is not going higher, and NQ has tapped into 930's opening price. I really wanted to take something off right there, but that was like very pretty quick. That was very quick. But yeah, we'll have to wait. I did my trailing with respect to my L model. We'll have to wait and see how price reacts. Yes, it's like holding prices, bro. I guess that's a break even for us. I really wanted to take something at 930. It was like very fast. Yeah, we got a very good entry. We got a very good entry. We got a very good entry, bro. Okay, that's a break even for me, guys. I mean, the break in has been hit for me. Okay, I guess that's the stream, guys. I'm done for the day. That was a pretty good setup. I mean, I walked it. I mean, I literally caught the top. I was riding that, and the break even was hit just at 930 opening, and I don't really feel it could go higher. I mean, even if it take those, I'll be still looking for sales. I don't know. I'm done for the day. We could be going to 23. So that's a break even day with a tiny loss prior. And yeah, I'm closing my week right here, guys. So whoever is there, I hope you enjoyed the stream. That was a very good trade there. Hmm. Do you hold this trade until 9 a.m. news? No, 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 no. Like it was my break even. Like price has displayed so much. I know my model. Like I don't want any trades post there. I was like very confident with that thing. So yeah, done for the day, guys. I mean, yeah, see you in the next stream. We'll be seeing tomorrow, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the stream. If you enjoyed, please do like. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the next one, guys. So yeah, bye bye.